What's up, guys? Brad here.
Deb here.
And today we've got an announcement. For the last couple months, we've been keeping a secret from you guys. We've been working with a company in the background to bring you new content. And with that new content, it's going to be on new equipment. So we received that equipment today. The sun is setting. We've been working all day with that company, setting everything up, getting things put away, getting oriented. And now we want to reveal to you what we got. But before we do that, Deb, you got any words to say? Because you've been watching it all happen today.
It's been so fun. We think a lot of this company that we're going to show you who it is in just a minute. We think a lot of them. We're proud to work with them and we're excited to work with them. And we're really excited to start making content and show you what we've got.
So the company we've been working with is Summit Tractors. And Summit approached us a couple months ago and asked if we wanted to work with them, if we'd be willing to partner with them. And they actually came out here and spent half a day with us. And we're going to talk about that. So here's the tractor. It's the Summit TX25 25 horsepower tractor with the LX85 loader. And in addition, Summit also provided us a bunch of equipment. I mean, the trailer was full. And speaking of trailers, we got a dump trailer with it. We got pallet forks. We've got the grapple. We've got a disc harrow, a box blade, a box plane, a seed spreader, and maybe some other things that I can't even remember right now. It's been a long day unloading that stuff and kind of organizing it and getting it up under cover. So before we dive into our partnership with Summit, we wanted to give a shout out to Cray Jays, and they were the transporter, the guy with the truck and the trailer that brought everything here. And even though it's a year post-pandemic, it's still really hard. There's still supply chain issues and it's really hard to get transportation. So we've been waiting at least 3 weeks to get this equipment hauled here. And he brought it here today. They left Atlanta this morning. They got here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's a good five-hour trip or so. And then as soon as we unloaded, he got on the road and he had to go to Birmingham. So we're going to put his information down below. Real good guy, Christian guy. If you need anything hauled, check with him. He hauls all over the country. I asked him, what's your area? What's your limit? And he said, I was in like Indiana last week, Iowa the week before. So give him a call. If you got to move a tractor, you got to move any kind of heavy equipment, he might be your guy. But let's get back to the Summit partnership. So the CEO of Summit, Doug Rahor, reached out to us. And he said, would you be interested in having our tractor, the Summit TX25, out here on your property and just show it in action? And he said, I've been watching your videos and we think that you have the type of property that you can use not only our tractor, but also our implements. And he came out here and spent the better part of a day. And again, coming from Atlanta, where their headquarters, he drove down here and met us that morning and he stayed out here, I'm going to say 4 or 6 hours. We walked the property. We talked about tractors in general. We talked about different manufacturers of tractors. But he was very interested in the Piney Grove story and what we were doing in the future. Because what good is a tractor on your property if you're not going to use it? So we told him about all the things that we wanted to do out here. And I actually said to him, I said, Doug, I said, we have a 38, 39 horsepower tractor. And we're actually looking at upsizing. And he said, well, I don't have that. He goes, I have a 25 horsepower tractor and we will possibly be getting into a bigger tractor. This is the one model of tractor that Summit has. We're going to be getting a cab version of the 25 horsepower and then also a 36 horsepower. And I'm not sure if that would be just a non-cab or if that's going to have a cab version as well. And I said, well, I'd be interested in that. And he said, here, how about this? He goes, I think my tractor can do what you need to do out there on your property. How about I loan you the tractor and all the equipment you need and you make videos on it? So that's what our agreement is.
Yeah, so we just want to reiterate that we did not buy this tractor. This is not our tractor. No money is changing hands. We're not making any money off of this. We're going to put this tractor to use on everything that we do out here in Piney Grove. And we're excited to do it. We like the company, we like the tractor, and we've got more equipment now than we had before, so we have more capabilities that we're excited to show you.
If you've been following along with our channel, you've seen what we've done with the tractor that we own now, and we still own that tractor and we still own all the other equipment. But everything we can do with the Summit tractor, we're going to do to showcase the tractor. This tractor has different functions and different capabilities that the tractor we have doesn't have. Which one is it? It has the third function remote in the front, and you see we already have the grapple on the front. And Deb How do you feel about grapples?
I'm so excited about the grapple. I have not used the grapple. I just drove the tractor a little bit around the pastures to get used to it because it is a little bit different, but I am beyond excited about the grapple.
We have so many piles of brush that we have cleared areas with our excavator. And in fact, right behind the camera is a big pile of brush, and we wanted to demonstrate that, but the light's failing today. But we don't have a grapple, and we've had no way to move that brush because you're not going to pick it up with the excavator and go across our 20 acres. So that is new for us, so we're excited to use a grapple. I don't think I've ever used one, and I know Deb hasn't. Another thing that this tractor has is it has rear remotes. So there's many implements out there that you can't use unless you have a rear remote, hydraulics in the rear of your tractor. I think about, hay making equipment. We want to cut our own hay out here, and you need something that can raise up the cutter bar, and our tractor couldn't do that before, so we're excited to try that with this one. There's just many features on this tractor that we don't have, and we're excited to use along with the implements. And I think my most favorite implement, and we haven't used any, but we got a dump trailer. So we can't wait to fill that dump trailer, tow it with this tractor across our property to burn piles and just kind of clean up the property. So there's going to be lots of content like that. We shot several videos today with Garrett Harrell, and he's the product manager. And we went over all the features of this tractor. This tractor is relatively inexpensive when it comes to tractors, but it is just loaded with features. So look out for those videos. We did a video on the features of the tractor. We did a video on how you get parts and service, and we did a video on all the implements. And we have more implements coming. So a lot of people know that Summit is selling tractors at Home Depot and Tractor Supply and other farm retailers out there. But they recently got into implements, and some of these implements aren't even on the website yet. So we're excited to show all them, and it's going to take us some time to make all this content. So what are you excited about besides the grapple on what we can do with everything you've seen them drop off here today?
There's truly so much. They were so generous in giving us equipment to use that I don't even know where to begin. Honestly, I just don't. I've never used a rake, so they gave us a rake. So I'm kind of excited about the root rake. They gave us a blade. I've never bladed before.
And so another thing is that in the next couple months, they're going to release their cab version of this, and we should be one of the first people to get a cab version to demonstrate. Some other things that'll be coming that are not part of the implement package that we have now, we'll be getting a flail mower, a brush hog, and a tiller. Those things weren't readily available, and I don't think they would fit on the trailer because the trailer is pretty full. We'll be releasing a full detailed video on the features of this tractor, but I'm just going to go over a couple real quick. We talked about the grapple, and the grapple is not a feature of the tractor. It's an attachment or an implement. But what we have is we have third function up here that operates a grapple. That's something we haven't had before. We have a bucket level indicator. We didn't have that on our previous tractor. We have these new tires, these R14 tires, and they're supposed to have better traction and clean themselves better than the traditional tires, the agricultural tires, or the R4s like we have on our other tractor. Some other features the Summit tractor has, it has mirrors. It allows you to get up on either side of the tractor because they've moved, or the loader control is back here on the fender, whereas on our previous tractor, it was right here, and it wouldn't allow you to get up on this side of the tractor. So you can get on this tractor from either the left side or the right side. It's hydrostatic. It's a 2-pedal system, so 1 pedal forward, 1 pedal in reverse. And it has a comfortable operator station. It's pretty flat where Deb's feet are. It has armrest. It's got a back rest right here. And it's just an overall premium seat. Some other features that it has is in the back, it has rear remotes, and those rear remotes will allow you to operate some sort of cylinder in the back, whether it is your hydraulic top link, or it is something like our dump trailer that came with the package. So it's got a lot of features on it that you don't find on a basic tractor.
Unlike a lot of other tractors, this tractor comes ready to work. It comes with the loader. It comes with everything that you see here. It comes with features that would cost you probably up to $3,000 if you were buying another type of tractor, which we think is a great option for everybody.
We'll create a Summit playlist, so it'll be easy for you to find all our Summit content. But we're really excited to have this tractor on the property. It's really going to help us improve our property because we have a lot of things in store here. We're building our house, we have fences to do, we have our pond to fix. There's just so many things that we need a tractor for out here. And not only the tractor, but all of the implements that Summit provided for us to use are going to help us get Piney Grove to the state we need it to be in order for us to move out here full time. If you have any questions about Summit tractors, ask us in the comment down below. We will link you to Summit information. They have a great website. It's very informative. They have all the tractor manuals and the maintenance intervals and all that stuff out there. But if there's something you'd like to know that maybe isn't readily available, the information, leave a comment down below and we'll get that information to the CEO and the product manager because they want to improve this tractor and have the best tractor out there in this price range so people can get their job done. We'll be answering a lot of questions about Summit tractors in upcoming videos, so stay tuned to the channel and consider subscribing. We'd love to have you along. But that's all we've got for today's video, so until the next one, y'all take care out there and remember, life's short.
Be kind.
And tractor hard.
Take care.
Take care, guys.